Hey, I'm back. It's Miss Bostic here, and this is our poem. But this time we read our poem. I want you to think about words that you don't know. Words that we read and we don't really know what they are. We consider those vocabulary words. All right, the title of our poem is called Favorite Special Places. Favorite places are so special. They're familiar too. Favorite places make us smile. There's so much we can do. A place can make a great impression. A treasure, oh, so true. That's why we're always going to go there. What fun for me and you. What words did you seem like you didn't know, or you haven't seen them too much, or you may have heard them, but you're not quite sure what they mean? Well, I think I have found three words. I wonder if you picked the same words I did. So the first word is familiar. Say it with me. Familiar, and it is right here. Familiar. The second word that I saw while we were reading was the word impression. Say it with me. Impression. Do you know what those words mean? The last word is right here, and it is treasure. We may have heard of it, but I'm not sure exactly what they mean when they say a treasure oh so true. Because in the story of the ranch, they don't have any treasures. All right, so let's go over these three words. Are you ready? Familiar, an adjective that means well known, like McDonald's. Familiar is something that we know or we're used to. McDonald's is a familiar place that I like to visit. Everybody knows about McDonald's, so it is familiar. The second word was treasure. Treasure is a verb that means keep carefully, a valuable or valued item. Like a treasure chest, but it doesn't necessarily mean a treasure chest. It's something that you hold valuable. I looked for the buried treasure and found it. If something you really care about or that you cherish, you can call that a treasure. Impression, a noun that means a effect on someone. Effect. Tricky word. That means when you met them, something changed. My sentence is, my first impression of him was that he was kind. So I did not know this man, but when I met him, I had a feeling that he was kind based on his impression. What do you think? Can you use some of these in a sentence? Good.